Hey, what is up, guys? This is Ankur Jaswar. So, I was thinking recently that some of you guys had questions about AR Core and AR Core development in Google. You know, AR Core is Google's very own API or SDK, I would say, which helps you create AR apps on Android. So, I was thinking, why not have a video around it where I can have a tutorial sort of thing, right? So comment down below if you guys want more of it. I would be very happy to have a tutorial series going on with it. So there was a video recently. I'll just put a tag up there. You can just click on it and view an ARcore Depth Lab. But I'll just have a brief introduction of ARcore in this video, and you guys can comment down below if you guys want more. Based on the likes and comments, I think we can decide whether we should have this full tutorial series. So since the Pokemon Go app that came in 2016 or 15 time frame, AR on Android and Apple have come a long way. It's so realistic that it might soon take over the world and your Android apps with all that AR and AI exuberance. Now, the AR market is soon to become a 5 billion industry by 2025. So, we developers have a good opportunity to bring on apps in the market which take the full advantage of it, right? So, let's see uh, what AR Core is, right? So, AR Core is a software development kit SDK which is developed by Google that allows for augmented reality application to be built. Now it supports some key technology features like motion tracking, environmental understanding, and light estimation. So why motion tracking? Motion tracking is necessarily like example if you throw a ball in the air or a ball in the room. The ball or the phone needs to understand where the position is, where the object is going to hit, and what pace it will hit, right? Environmental understanding, it's like the object needs to have a height, width, size, weight, right? So the phone needs to understand the surface details, whether it's vertical, horizontal, or angle. Light estimation is pretty simple. A lot of things like the disco media. In the room, you can have disco lights and all that stuff. Now, the next thing comes in the mind is how AR core works. Yeah, ever notice like why augmented reality apps require you to move your camera around the room to detect surfaces? And this is because the app on which the augmented reality world works around, it needs to build its own world, right? ARcore is no different. It needs to have its own world. It needs to have that room that you're seeing with your eyes. It needs to create a virtual room inside the app so that it can add some extra augmented reality stuff which you can see with your eyes on your phone. Now, ARcore memorizes the surroundings and builds a world of its own in which it can place virtual objects. Now, this is why when you place a virtual object in your room and go out and come back, the object is still there. It remembers, yeah. So there are a lot of stuff in ARcore which does that. We'll obviously see in the future. If you guys like this video, and do comment out if you want more, right? It's all on your responses, guys. I want this to be spread across the people, all the developers around there. So who all can use ARcore? ARcore SDK is available for Android, Android NDK, Unity for Android, Unity for iOS, and Unreal. It's pretty exhaustive list and satisfies most of the developers out there. Google has just a quick start, and obviously it won't be enough, but there are good tutorials out there, not free ones, but there are ones. I'm not sure how much stuff is there out there to read, but I know that the free tutorials or the free guides are very less. So how to learn ARcore for Android? There are some useful articles, on the web. It may be paid using Unity or Android Studio. Not a lot of support too, but like I said, if you guys want, I can create one for you guys on this channel itself for free. If you guys can comment down that you really want it. So that's it, guys. I guess this is it. This was a basic thing I wanted to let you know about ARCore. It's a very interesting topic, a very good market ahead for it. So let me know, guys, how you find it. Do like the video, do share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.